Hi, in this video we are going to talk about two logical functions which are not function and if error function. So first let us see what is not function. So I have written some data over here which is Boolean expression only, true and false, right? So what not function will do is it will show you or it will throw you the opposite value of the function. Suppose in this case we have true and false as our data. So if I want the opposite of these two values, what I can do is I can use the not function. So here if I type equals to not, and in the parentheses if I give the cell reference of this particular cell, and if I close the parentheses and hit enter, then you can see that it is showing now as value as false. It is actually giving the opposite of the function. If I drag down the value, then by using the relative reference it will show you the value of this particular cell as true. So this is actually not the basic functionality of not function. It will throw you the opposite value of each function. Now what is if error function? So suppose in your sheet you have some data written over. So this is my dummy data. So you have different type of data, right? You have text, you have number, you have then Boolean expression, and sometimes you can get error as your message, right? So now in text you have text only, in number you have number, then you have Boolean expressions true false. Then here I have some kind of error. What is the error? I don't know right now. Now with the help of if error function I can actually write down, or I can actually tell Excel to give me a exact text which I want if anything inside my data have an error. So what I can do is, to show me the exact matches which I want, I can use the if error function. So here in this cell if I type my function as equals to if error, then in parentheses if I specify my cell as this one and then close the parentheses. Now if there's an error, it will no, first let me type the what is the error message I want to display. Suppose skip this, and I need to actually type it in double quotes. Why? Because this is a text value. Now if there's an error, then Excel will throw you this message which is skip this. If there's no error inside the data which we have given, then it will just copy paste the data only. So if I hit enter, then you can see that right now it is showing tutorials point. Why? Because there's no error in this cell. If I drag the value or the formula like this one, then you can see that other than the last cell which is showing skip this, the error message that we have provided, we can see that all the values have been copied and pasted as it is. Why? Because there is no error inside these values or inside these cells. So this will actually help you when you want to filter your data. Suppose you have made an if error function column, and there you have all the values as skip this for all the errors, then you can filter it out or you can do anything you want. So this is the actual use of if error function, and it will help you to actually give the you don't want to, suppose if you want to show your data to someone and you don't want to throw them this type of message, you can actually give them custom message also if there's an error. So I hope this is all that is there for if error, and I hope you understood it. Thank you.